Lumitec SeaBlaze Quattro Review. How dual-color bronze underwater lights transform night boating. You finally anchor up for that perfect night on the water. You flip the switch, and nothing. Your underwater lights failed again. Corroded housing, flippering out, completely done. A friend once told me he replaced his cheap lights 3 times in just 2 years. 3 times. That sinking frustration when your gear fails at the worst possible moment, it lingers. It sticks with you. Sound familiar? Tell me in the comments. The wasted money builds up quietly over time. The embarrassment hits when guests notice your boat looks dim compared to others nearby. One captain admitted he stopped hosting night trips altogether because his lights kept failing. He said it felt like a gut punch every single time. The stress compounds. But what if one upgrade could solve this permanently? That sense of relief might be closer than you think. That's when I discovered the Lumitec SeaBlaze Quattro underwater light. Everything changed. Don't just choose any underwater light. Make sure it features naval-grade bronze housing so you never deal with corroded fixtures failing mid-season again. This isn't another disposable plastic light. It's built from the same material used in through-holes and seacocks designed to last for decades. The SeaBlaze Quattro delivers over 2,000 lumens in white mode with dual-color white and blue capability, all controlled through simple power cycling. No external controllers, no complicated wiring, just 2 wires and you're done. One charter captain nearly canceled an important client trip when his old lights failed that very morning, then installed Quattros that afternoon and ran flawlessly that same night. The heat-tempered glass lens resists scratches and thermal shock, while the fully potted electronics handle vibration and moisture with ease. You can feel the quality the moment you hold it. And here's something worth knowing. Lumitec backs this with a 5-year warranty, the longest in the industry. Stay with me for what real owners are saying next. Months later, SeaBlaze Quattro owners report the same thing. These lights simply work. Night after night, season after season. A marine electronics reviewer put it plainly. The bronze housing eliminates the corrosion failures we constantly see with aluminum and plastic alternatives. An everyday boat owner on a fishing forum shared that after 18 months in saltwater, his Quattros still look and perform exactly like day one. 0 issues. So does the premium price make sense? Here's the reality. Cheaper lights often fail within 1 to 2 years. When you factor in replacement costs, reinstallation time, and ongoing frustration, the Quattro's 5-year warranty and proven durability deliver a lower total cost of ownership. You're not just buying a light, you're investing in years of reliability. The traction speaks for itself. Charter captains, yacht owners, and weekend boaters continue choosing Lumitec because the results are consistent. One captain even said his Quattros have attracted more baitfish and more client compliments than any upgrade he's ever made. So what matters most to you? The dual color, the durability, or the warranty? Drop your answer below. That blue glow alone can transform any anchorage into something unforgettable. The Lumitec SeaBlaze Quattro isn't just an underwater light, it's a long-term investment in confidence, reliability, and your presence on the water at night. More professionals and serious boaters are making the switch because they're tired of constantly replacing failed equipment. Results may vary depending on installation and conditions. Ready to stop cycling through cheap lights that disappoint? Join the owners who upgraded once and never looked back. Click the link in the description and experience the difference for yourself today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.